Hi guys, welcome to today's video. We're going to do something we've not done before. We're going to make Rarebit. Alright guys, this is the ingredients. We're going to be using sour bread. We're going to be using flour, butter, English mustard, cheese. We're going to go with cheddar cheese. We need something that's quite mature, quite strong flavoured cheese. And then we need Worcester sauce. Only a dash of Worcester sauce would be enough. And then we're going to be using ale. With the ale, you can use beer, you can use lager, you can use cider, and if you're not really comfortable using any kind of alcohol, you can actually use milk. We're going to put the measurements down below in the descriptions at the end, and instead of using, was it half a cup? We're using half a cup of beer. You can actually use half a cup of milk. So yeah, it's just an alternative. Well guys, it's done. Welsh Rabbit. Before we eat, I just want to explain the name briefly. It might be a little bit confused, maybe it's my accent. Rarebit is, as it sounds, rabbit. It's not actually rabbit that we're eating, it's called Rarebit, but the origins of the story, it's actually not clear. It's from the 1700s. English people, they used to make fun with the Welsh people and say that they were so poor that they couldn't afford meat, so all they could eat was Rarebit, hence the name, you know, from rabbit. But either way, it ended up with this, and it's delicious. 1700s.
Thank you.
And it's still here. Let's try it, shall we? Oh, you already got in. You've already got stuck in without me.
Cheesy. Does that taste alcohol at all?
No. The alcohol's really evaporated into the cheese. Yeah, it's delicious. This is so much more than just cheese on toast. Because of the history and because of the rivalry between the Welsh and the English, it's got history because of that, but it's also delicious on its own, isn't it? Even without the history. 12 done. 10 out of 10. This is the perfect snack if you want something a little bit different. But I hope you like our dish and
try this one.
Try this. Really easy to make. As I said before, we'll leave the quantities at the bottom of the page, so maybe you can try it, a nice late time snack. Yeah, until the next video, like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Alright guys, Ingat Ka.
Bye bye.
Tagai.